Good afternoon, everybody. My project for this term or paper is the Robinhood Till Latency Aware Caching System. So with that in mind, we're starting to understand truly what is this request latency that's happening on the cache. The disadvantages is whenever a request is made, we've got to wait for the entire query to run until the next backend request can run. So if the request is large, then we've got to wait the entire time. And the way these requests are set up is that they're split into equal levels. So they're all running at the same, or they're all given the same resources, whether it's a small or large request, we're given the same resource, or the cache is giving the same resources. Um, and the latency tends to happen whenever there's whenever when there is a backlog. So with Robinhood, what is the overall goal um, and the objective behind Robinhood? Robinhood is there to minimize the P99, which is the 99th percentile of request latency. The tail request relies on maximum latency of the backend server. So the P99 is based off of the tail request, and you know other papers in which the author reviews here in this paper is that load balancing and elasticity don't offer the optimized performance. Load balancing and elasticity help with um, minimum or increase maximizing the hit ratio, but the true reality is whenever we're load balancing or using elasticity methods, we're moving everything to another server or into out of the cache, which as a result is, in a way, in my opinion, is fudging the number to prove that we're optimizing cache performance. So this graph here is an observation made from the Xbox.com server. So as you can see, based on the hour of the day, the different requests are made, and these requests are um, moving are these requests are hindering or pushing the P99 latency to be high, and these are basically just spikes. So the reality is the cache resources for the most part are fine. It's just we need to provide better performance at the spikes. So what is Robinhood? Robinhood is the first caching system introduced to reduce tail latency, effectively at least. Um, Robinhood identifies latency as, or the tail latency as not constant, which as you can see, it is not due to the spikes. It's really tail latency changes throughout the day. And so what we're looking to do is we're looking to reduce the P99 request latency by addressing the load spikes that happen throughout the day on different servers, or backend queries at least.